Hello everyone, welcome to Aanvii Hearing. Today I'm going to tell you how can you navigate a comprehensive hearing test, what to expect and why it matters. As we go through life, our senses play a fundamental role in our interactions with the world around us. Hearing in particular is essential for communication, safety and overall well-being. Yet, many of us take our hearing for granted until we notice changes or difficulties. This is where comprehensive hearing test comes into play, offering invaluable insights into our auditory health and guiding us towards appropriate solutions. At Aanvii Hearing, we understand the importance of these tests and aim to demystify the process for individuals seeking to prioritize their hearing care. Comprehensive hearing tests serve as more than just a means of detecting hearing loss. They provide a detailed assessment of various aspects of hearing ability. By identifying the specific nature and extent of any auditory issues, these tests enable audiologists to tailor treatment plans to individual needs. From speech tests to pure tone assessments, each component of the test offers valuable insights into the functioning of the auditory system. Preparing for your hearing test. Before your hearing test, it's essential to discuss any symptoms or difficulties you may be experiencing with your audiologist. This conversation provides valuable context for the test and helps ensure that the assessment is tailored to your specific needs. Additionally, be prepared for the test to last between 30 to 60 minutes, depending on various factors such as age, hearing history, and the specific test being conducted. Components of a comprehensive hearing test. A comprehensive hearing test typically includes a series of assessments designed to evaluate different aspects of hearing ability. Among the most popular tests are the following: pure tone audiometry test. Pure tone audiometry test involves listening to a range of tones at different frequencies and intensities. By indicating when they hear each tone, individuals can help audiologists determine their hearing thresholds and identify any bilateral or one-sided hearing loss. Bone conduction test. Bone conduction test assesses how sound is heard through the vibrations of the mastoid bone. By bypassing the outer and middle ear, these tests can help differentiate between nerve or sensory neural hearing impairment and blockages in the ear. Middle ear test. Middle ear tests evaluate the function of the middle ear and include assessments such as static acoustic impedance, acoustic reflex threshold, and tympanometry. These tests provide insights into eardrum mobility, middle ear pressure, and acoustic reflexes. The importance of follow up and treatment. Once the comprehensive hearing test is complete, your audiologist will discuss the results with you and recommend appropriate treatment options. This may include hearing aids, management strategies, or further diagnostic tests. By following up on the results of your hearing test and seeking appropriate treatment, you can take proactive steps towards preserving your auditory health and quality of life. At Aanvii Hearing, we are committed to providing comprehensive hearing care services tailored to your individual needs. Whether you're experiencing symptoms of hearing loss or simply seeking to prioritize your auditory health, we are here to support you every step of the way. Don't wait until it's too late. Schedule a comprehensive hearing test today and take control of your hearing health for the future. Your ears deserve the best care and we are here to help you achieve it. For more information, call us at 9658395839 or visit www.aanvihearing.com.